Banff National Park, Canada's oldest, established in 1885, lies in Alberta's Canadian Rockies. Spanning 6,641 square kilometers, it boasts awe-inspiring landscapes, towering mountains, glaciers, dense forests, and pristine lakes. Wildlife thrives here, from grizzly bears, black bears, moose, elk, bighorn sheep, to mountain goats. The park's habitat also attracts various bird species, including eagles, owls, and songbirds. A major draw is Banff Upper Hot Springs, near Banff town. These natural hot springs, sought after since the late 19th century, offer relaxation amid stunning mountain vistas with their warm, mineral-rich waters.